Hi, everyone. Welcome to MKT205. I'm Professor Clinton Scott, and I'll be guiding you through this course this semester. And I wanted to offer you a quick overview of the course to hit on some important points as you get started with the course. All right, so the main piece of information I want to share is that the bulk of the course is going to occur using the Sumo web text. And this is just our textbook, our electronic textbook. So more than half of the coursework will be completed using the Sumo web text. So as soon as you get into the course, you want to be sure to register for your Sumo web text. And this slide highlights all the coursework that will be completed within the text. And if you've never used the Sumo web text, it's a great tool for the students because everything happens right in that one place. You read through the chapter. As you read through, you're completing questions that are your weekly text questions assignment. And when the milestone pieces of the milestone project occur, they will flow right from the text questions right into the milestone questions. So it's chunks of coursework within each chapter. And when you get to the end of the chapter, you'll be prompted to download any work that you'll need to submit. So it's very intuitive and it has a very good flow. So please, please, please register. So this is how we register for the Sumo web text. In the course menu of Brightspace, you're going to click on course menu, and then you'll see learning modules, and Sumo will be on the left side bar, as you can see highlighted in red here on the screen. When you click on Sumo, it will take you to the Sumo page, and the first thing you'll see there is what the big red arrow is pointing to, Sumo My E-Materials Registration. So this is the tab that you'll click on and just follow the prompts to register for the text. Once you register for the text, then you will be able to access e-materials. You'll see e-materials, and I'll show you in a second. You'll see e-materials in every single module. At the bottom of every single module, you'll see e-materials, and that will take you to the text. So aside from registering for the Sumo web text, the other bit of information that will be important for you to review is the project milestones. So as I stated previously, over half of the coursework for MKT205 is completed in the web textbook, including all of the project milestones, all the project milestones. So it's a good idea for you to review the project guidelines. So the project guidelines are also available under the course menu in the tab called assignment information, which is highlighted in the red circle. And then once you click on assignment information, you'll want to click the project guidelines rubric tab that the red arrow is pointing to. And here you'll find the guidelines for the entire milestone project, all components. Okay, so the first component you're going to complete in module 2, and then another module 4, module 5, and module 7. I'll provide more detailed information for each of the project milestones in a separate video. All right, so here's what I had mentioned. Once you register for your Sumo e-materials, after you register, you'll be able to access the ebook, our electronic textbook called Sumo, by clicking on My E-Materials, highlighted in red, big red arrow pointing to it. In every module, module 1, 2, all the way through 8, you will see this My E-Materials link in every single module. That is what you want to click on to access the actual book, Sumo web textbook, okay? And this is what it looks like when you click to open the web text. This is the introductory page. And then you will see a contents tab, which is highlighted in red here with the arrow pointing to it. That is your table of contents. You use the contents tab to navigate through the web text, Sumo web text. All right. You click on the contents, you get your drop down box, and you see each chapter. You're going to start with chapter 1, of course, click chapter 1 and read through, and you will see arrows that say back and next to move from one page to the next, okay? If you need to navigate through the text without going in order, you always go back to the contents tab. You can click into any chapter, click on any section of a chapter, click in to different pages where you will be completing the assignments, the milestone project assignments. The questions, there are questions that you're going to be answering every week, are part of the text that you have to read each section to answer. The questions are spread out throughout each chapter. So to complete each of the chapter questions that are assigned for every module, modules 1 through 8, you have to read through the entire chapter, okay, and complete the questions as you read through each chapter. All right, so that's my quick overview of MKT205. If you have any questions, a thought, anything you want to share, please reach me through email. You can also post your questions, any questions or thoughts you may have, in the discussion board. All right, everyone. So take care and have a great day. Bye.